OK， 咁今日咧，我就想做一個簡單而唔隆重嘅雞。So I'm gonna do something. It seems like a lot of work, but it's actually not really. It's, you know, my family likes to eat drumsticks, so I'm gonna use drumsticks. And featuring thyme because remember when we were growing herbs out of water? Look it looks so good and healthy. So we're gonna use thyme, and it's gonna be a lemon and thyme garlic chicken. Take a Ziploc bag after you washed your drumsticks. You can use breast, you can use leg, you can use any part of the chicken actually. Chicken. Put it in the bag. Okay. After you get your chicken in there, then you're going to put the melted butter, which was 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour it all in. Really good. 4 tablespoons of butter 用咗啦 ，OK 大家。Let's put our 2 tablespoons of leaves. So we took the leaves off of the thyme sprigs, okay? Stick that in there. Do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Also in there. Put our 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Teaspoon dried oregano. Half a teaspoon of paprika. And you can put a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. So I mix a little bit of salt and pepper, as you can see, and just like put a pinch of that down, 2 pinches if you want. 少少鹽少少 pepper 但係唔係即係冇乜點計係自己調味嘅啫。And 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. So I squeezed lemon for this, okay? Like real lemon. Stick that all in. We're going to close the Ziploc bag up. Make sure you close it, okay? Or if you're not too sure, just check it. And if you're still not sure, you can hold that section. And don't shake it out of it, okay? Try not to pop everything inside there. It's probably hard to talk and shake at the same time, right? Because you can't really hear me. Okay, and you can see how well you toss it. Like, 你可以睇到幾均勻，所以就用一個透明嘅 Ziploc 啦。See? Is there anything else in it? Not sure. Look at it. You can see the fresh thyme. Can you see that look? 即係好多人咧就用雞咧戚一戚又有啲即係麵包碎啊 ，like they do stuff with like breadcrumbs and stuff, but you can actually avoid that altogether if you want. And this is really fresh. 咁咧 shake 完之後咧，啲嘢齊晒啦，擺落雪櫃。你擺落雪櫃咧，大概半個鐘頭，但係其實你可以醃到24個鐘嘅。如果你想好濃嘅味嘅話，擺入去啦 because I put it in there, so you can actually do it for 30 minutes or leave it in there for 24 hours and then bake it tomorrow if you want. So we're just gonna clean this up a bit and I'm gonna prepare the pan or the tray that we're gonna put in the oven. Okay, be right back. Okay. 我咧就選擇咗擺大概3個半鐘啦。So it's been in the fridge for about 3.5 hours. That's how long I'm doing it. I'm going to place them. 哇，好香啊！I can smell it the minute I open it. In this can be baked in the tray. Okay, it's like a casserole kind of hot dish. Because after you cook it in there, you can actually also put it in the fridge, take it back out, also put it in the oven. So, 好方便。See, I'll show you. Okay, now nothing is gonna go to waste. As you can see, all my spices, garlic, everything is here. I'm gonna pour all the juices on top here. 咁乜嘢都用晒呢啲汁咧，過到晒喺上面。It's like so cool to see all your own herbs on here. Okay. So spread it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the sprigs that I prepared. I'm just gonna lay them on top. The oven was preheated at 450. We're gonna stick it in there for 10 minutes. And while it's in there for 10 minutes, we're gonna slice a lemon. Place it on top after 10 minutes. Okay. 嗱，10分鐘之後咧，你要攞出嚟嘅，而家攞出嚟。OK， 係啦嘛，10分鐘之後攞出嚟，之後咧就擺啲檸檬喺佢上邊，係咁啦，擺翻入去啦。然之後加到15分鐘至20分鐘，佢應該差唔多得。So what we did was we took it out after 10 minutes, added the lemon slices on top, and put it back in for another 15 to 20 minutes, and they should be ready by then.